Hi guys, my name's Evan Witalski, and I built a guillotine.
Look at this man. Look at this dude. He thinks he knows what he's doing. He thinks he has a plan for a YouTube video. Look at him. Nah, he doesn't even know he's living 6 months in the past. Okay, I'm going to take over from the city and explain what's really going on here. So I originally filmed this video back when I went home over Christmas last year, and I haven't gotten around to actually editing it and putting it together, so we're here now. Back around Christmas, there was this meme going around about how you can spend your $600 stimulus check to build a guillotine. Now, my friends and I were like, yeah, we're going to build a guillotine. So we did. With all of my videos, I like to add a little element of surprise, so it's not just like, oh, you built a guillotine. Yeah, cool, so what? Everyone has built a guillotine in their life at one point or another, right? So the idea with this one was that it was going to be controlled with a voice AI thing, either a Google Nest or an Amazon Alexa. We went with the Nest just because that's what we had on hand, but I'm not a huge fan of how that turned out. The Nest talks really slow, and getting through the lines that I put in wasn't that great.
Okay, Google. Talk to start the interrogation.
You're the one that decided to be a toxic POS. You think this is funny? You think this is some kind of game? Look at the situation that you're in now.
Also, spoiler alert, we didn't end up chopping off Jaren's head. Regardless, I went on and interviewed the boys about how they thought the project went, so let's hear this from them. Oh, also, we tested it a couple of times, so let's see that too.
Logan, in your words, describe how we built this guillotine.
We basically half-assed it until it came together, mostly.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We bought a blade from the hardware store. We bought 4 plates and we welded them together.
So we took 2x4s, about 8 feet apiece, put them in a T, did diagonals, made sure that they were stable crosswise, added the blade, added the headpiece, added the stop, Evan did the electronics, and it works.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire.
Oh, you want to hear about the electronics? Why? Thanks for asking. So you've got a Raspberry Pi attached to an electromagnet through a thing called a relay. The Raspberry Pi is running an API Python library called Flask. So when I send a command to it from my laptop, the electromagnet loses power and the guillotine blade drops.
I like all of it.
You didn't understand a word I just said? Yeah, me neither. Don't worry about that. Pretty much all you need to know is that when I click enter, guillotine blade go whoosh. After we got bored making crappy pineapple salad, we figured we'd step up our game and try chopping up something else. So Billy, God bless his soul, bought 3 12-packs of Canada Dry Bold. That stuff is god-awful. So we needed to get rid of it, and we did.
3, 2, 1.
Down!
I told them to scream to make it more interesting. They followed through. Thanks, guys.
Okay,
Don't move.
ready, set, go. Thanks, guys.
How much did this video cost you?
We don't answer that question.
Alright. We don't answer that question. A lot. Please subscribe. Please.
Please subscribe to this.
Guys, I'm
This
broke.
video
It's been a
wiped
lot
out
of
his
money.
bank account. He had to buy me a new router.
This is not a joke. I am broke. Please send help.
So okay, at the same time, please subscribe. Just please subscribe.
Thank you guys for watching that video. I'm going to leave you with a couple of clips from one that I'm probably going to end up scrapping, unfortunately. So yeah, enjoy those.
Taser wall. Yes! This is literally epic. I just broke everything.